Hello students, today we are going to study a new chapter, Life Processes, that is class 10, subject science, chapter number 6. So I will ask you one question, what are life processes? Processes that are carried out by an organism to keep themselves alive are known as life processes. Different life processes that you will be studying is nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Nutrition is carried out in alimentary canal, which begins from mouth till anus. Respiration is carried out by an nose, trachea, bronchus and lungs. Transportation is carried out by heart, blood and different blood vessels. Excretion is done by excretory system, which consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So here these are the different processes: nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. So nutrition we are going to study in human beings. Respiration we are going to study aerobic and anaerobic respiration, breakdown of glucose, respiration in terrestrial and aquatic organism, human respiratory system. In transportation, it is carried out by heart, blood and blood vessel, whereas excretion is carried out by excretory system, which consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So the first process that we'll be studying is nutrition in human beings. So nutrition in human being is carried out in an alimentary canal, which consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine. Let us study the different organs of alimentary canal. So alimentary canal begins from mouth and ends till anus. So this is the mouth. A food pipe which connect mouth and stomach is esophagus. Largest gland in our body is liver. This is the stomach. Small intestine and large intestine. So now what happens to the food when it is introduced into the mouth? So when we introduce the food into the mouth, the teeth break down food into small pieces. So mastication process begins into the mouth. So salivary gland present in the mouth secretes saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme known as salivary amylase, which break down starch into sugar. So the food from the mouth is taken to stomach through food pipe called esophagus. So here is the food pipe, esophagus. And this is the stomach. Inner wall of stomach contains gastric glands. Gastric glands secrete three juices, namely hydrochloric acid, enzyme pepsin and mucus. Let us see the functions of these gastric juices. Hydrochloric acid creates acidic medium. Enzyme pepsin digests proteins. Mucus protects inner lining of stomach from the action of acid. So exit of food from stomach to small intestine is regulated by sphincter muscle. So the longest part of alimentary canal is small intestine. Herbivorous grass-eating animals have longer small intestine to digest cellulose. Carnivorous have shorter small intestine as they eat meat and it is easier to digest. So here you can see carnivorous tiger and deer, which is herbivorous. So from the stomach, the food is now taken into the small intestine, the first part of small intestine. Small intestine is the site of complete digestion of food. It receives secretion of bile juice from liver and pancreatic juice from pancreas. So bile juice converts acidic food into alkaline. So bile juice break down emulsified fats. Thank you.